Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. This is Arbaz here. So this video is going to be about SSC 2020. As everyone knows, तीन एग्जाम्स होने के बाद SSC एग्जाम्स रुक गए थे. The reason being coronavirus pandemic causing the lockdown. So this video is going to be a quickie onto the SSC aspirants out there, wherein I will try to update you with the latest update on SSC examination in two parts. The first part of the video is going to be when is SSC examinations latest update, and second part of the video is going to be about what after SSC examination. So let us begin. So ये बार जो है 5,50,000 people were expected to participate in the examination process of SSC Telangana, and 3 languages have already been covered जिनके exams हो चुके हैं, and 8 papers are still pending. 3 language papers I would say rather, and 8 papers are still pending, जिसमें से mostly है main subjects, and the gap period since the last exam has been about 2 months, which is a huge period. And as per the latest update of the authorities is that the exams are going to be conducted just after lockdown. So the lockdown ends on 17th of May, so you can expect the exams to kick off around 20th of May. Okay, even if the lockdown gets extended for further 2 weeks from 17th May, so that goes on June 1st, and you can expect the lockdown to the exams to begin around 3rd of June. But there is a high possibility कि exams 20th of May के already होंगे, क्योंकि it has been a long delay, and I don't think so कि further delay करना the government would like to do it unless and until the situation does not provide you to do so. ठीक है. The next thing is I would like to say is the back to back pattern. So there is a high possibility कि exams जो है back to back हो, and gaps मिलना मुश्किल है. The reason being already बहुत delay हो चुका है. अब तक exams हो जाते थे, results भी आ जाते थे अगर ये नहीं होता था, and अपने बच्चे जो है इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन भी ले लेते थे मोस्टली. सो बैक टू बैक रहने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है. सो बकल अप योरसेल्व्स फॉर बैक टू बैक एज वेल. द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक से इज 5% चांसेस ऑफ एग्जाम्स गेटिंग कैंसल्ड ऑल टुगेदर. ठीक है, एग्जाम्स कैंसिल भी हो सकते हैं if the situation does not cool down. The reason the government can take inspiration from the Maharashtra state government, wherein the exams were cancelled because they were not able to control the situation, so exams were cancelled and the students were promoted on the basis of their internal examinations and other parameters. So even the state government of Telangana can follow the suit, and they can also promote and judge the student on the basis of their internal examinations. And one more thing is that intermediate colleges have been told first thing कि they should not pressurize the students to take admissions from now on, because exams ही अभी नहीं हुए हैं, and pressurizing the student is not the right thing from the college's point of view. And second thing is that the academic fees this year is not gonna increase according to the government's mandate कि exam academic fees increase नहीं होना चाहिए, and it should be remain same. ठीक है. The second part of the video is what after SSC. So the 4 major combinations you have are MPC, BIPC, CEC and Polytechnic. There are other combinations as well, but mostly these 4 are preferred. So inclination is the first aspect I would say to decide your career. So if you have inclination towards MPC, that goes for engineering, BIPC medical sciences, CEC are commerce and Polytechnic arts. So if you have inclination towards any of this, then you can go all out, provided that you work hard. ठीक है. आई वुड से कि आपके पेरेंट्स का इंक्लिनेशन है तो भी चलता है, बट आपका इंक्लिनेशन ना हो एंड पेरेंट्स के फोर्स की वजह से जाना, दैट इज समथिंग आई वुड नॉट अप्रिशिएट. द रीजन बीइंग, अगर बच्चों का इंक्लिनेशन ना हो तो देयर इज अ हाई पॉसिबिलिटी दैट ही मे फेल इन द नियर फ्यूचर. ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अनडिसाइडेड. फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्टिल टू डिसाइड वेदर दे हैव टू get into CEC, MPC or BIPC and are not able to take the decision, I would say get into MPC. You will get 2 years of time to decide, because MPC diversifies your options. You can get into commerce, MPC, engineering and science even after 12th. So MPC is something which I would watch for if you do not have decided till now, क्योंकि commerce में आपको engineering में आप जा नहीं सकते हैं. BIPC becomes a little bit tougher than MPC. The next thing is subject combinations. You can focus on subject combinations and go according to that. There is a subject combination called HEC. There is a subject combination called MEC. You can go ahead with that also. And for those who are uninterested in studies, I would say कि आज के ज़माने में graduation is the bare minimum thing. In the olden pattern, जो 10th का स्टैंडर्ड था, आज ग्रेजुएशन का स्टैंडर्ड वही है. So I would say कि at least do your 12th in CEC and complete your graduation at least in a distance mode and have a degree to your resume, because आपको लाइफ में बाद में रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि I did not have a degree, because opportunities कम मिल जाते हैं if you want to get into mainstream careers if you do not have a degree. ठीक है. So and there is also option for creative thing which you can get into polytechnic, which is also a bright stream. ठीक है. So this is all about the video. So I hope you guys like the video and do subscribe to the channel now and share it to all those people who are in